Assalamu alaikum, welcome to Nasir Soft. In this video, we will talk about how you can set the Cronjob trigger in N8N. Okay, so this is the API link. Okay, this is a post API and how we can call it automatically via AI automation. First of all, you will need to create a new basically workflow and named it some meaningful, for example, fast API and trend fetch, something like this. Okay, and after this click on the plus sign and here search the cron job and expand it, and here we set how many basically intervals. So by for instance, I for every 2 minutes I set it. Okay, you can set it by day or by week or hours or something like this. After that, click plus icon and then go to the http, and here our basically link is post, so we set it post and the url of that specific link or api is the post api. So that's it. So save, and first time. Okay, so just basically after saving, click on the start workflow or execute it. Here you can see this basically link is being called, and after some seconds the result will shown here. Okay, here you can see this, the script execution is completed and the returns basically json from that script is come. Okay, so after that you can activate this script. Okay, and after that, for each every 2 minutes which we said, you can see this script will automatically call, and inside the execution will be shown to us. Okay, so let's wait for 2 minutes. So at the top, go to the execution and wait for 2 minutes. So here's 1304, and you can see that after 2 minutes inside in the 1306. Okay, the again the execution is basically done. So I hope this video will help you a lot. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more informative videos. Stay blessed. Have a nice day.